This is my fourth video and welcome to Brems House of Cooking! For today, I have a visitor. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Grace Ann and I am 7 years old.
Yay! So what we're gonna do for today?
We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip?
Cookies.
Okay, so for our ingredients,
We have
what is this?
flour.
Flour? This one?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips?
Yeah. And
Baking soda?
baking soda
And a salt?
and salt.
We need vanilla,
Vanilla. Sugar.
the granulated sugar. We need
Eggs.
and a brown,
Brown sugar.
yes. And also we'll be needing, of course, what do you call this one, Grace?
Wax paper and a tray.
Yes, for baking, right? Okay,
And
so
a measuring cup.
okay, so what we're gonna do first?
We are going to...
I think we forgot something. We don't have the mixing bowl.
Oh yeah!
Okay, let me get the mixing bowl. Can you just move a little bit? And we will get our mixing bowl.
We need a mixing bowl.
Okay.
Okay, we got the mixing bowl.
And also
And the spatula.
here.
Ow.
Sorry, maybe we need. There's one more ingredient we forgot there. The butter. Okay. So let's start rolling.
Cooking.
So first, we already preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we already did that. So now in a bowl, we have to whisk the flour. Here, listen.
How much?
All of them, yes. Careful. Make sure nothing is in the bowl. Okay, next, we need the baking soda and the salt.
Bake all of it.
Yep. Good job. What else do we need? And then, make sure to whisk it here.
Wait.
Just mix it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And we're gonna put it at the side. Good job. Okay. Let me put this here. What are you gonna say?
You blow it, it's gonna fly away.
Fly away like what?
With powder or something.
Okay, so we have our dry ingredients. So just put it there at the side. Now we're gonna go to. I think we need to put the.
The butter.
Yep.
Butter. So we're gonna put some along.
It should be room temperature. Okay.
room temperature.
Okay. Next.
And then
What? And granulated sugar.
granulated sugar. All of it.
Yes, and then we're gonna add the.
And some of the brown sugar.
Okay. What else?
And then the eggs.
Vanilla.
Oh, no.
Not the eggs, just the vanilla first. So we need just this one of this one.
We just need a little bit of it. Tiny bit.
Let's
Let's get too sweet.
Yes, you will.
And then
I cannot open it. Hold on for a second. It's okay. Yes.
Her husband has to open.
Did you say that?
Yeah, so that.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough of vanilla.
And now,
We need
hold on before you do that, please.
to do something.
We're back, and now this is the finish.
We finished the We finished the
What?
chocolate chip cookies.
And now we're gonna have that. 1, 2, 3. It's so good.
Love it.
The softness
Crunchiness sometimes.
and it's chewy. It's really good, guys.
Everyone come here?
For the exact measurement, we will post it at the end of this video.
Yeah.
So how was it?
So good. Look at the chocolate. Melted chocolate in there.
Yeah, see?
Melted
It's melting.
It's so good.
It's so good. Success.
Success.
So, raise Ann.
Yep.
What is our word of encouragement today?
Proverbs 3,
Verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. So guys, thank you for watching in this video. Don't worry, hindi lang ito yung last time na makita niyo si Grace Ann. So we will do more videos. Thank you again, guys, for being with us today. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our channel. Okay? and hit the notification button below. Okay?
Okay.
So, thank you guys. One more bite. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Again, God bless us all. Stay safe, keep safe, and Hakuna Matata. Bye.
Let me get one more.
That's my bite.
Gawa pa kayo madami din para